Close your eyes for a moment and imagine all the bottles in the world, glass bottles stacked in cupboards, plastic bottles stored in bins, every empty containers waiting quietly. To most they are trash, to us they are treasures. Because inside every bottle lies a second life, a hidden beauty waiting to shine. Welcome, friends, to today's journey, where bottles are no longer waste but art, where recreation turns simple objects into magical creation, where even a single bottle can become part of a dream, a handmade 3D house filled with stories. Think about it. Every bottle has lived a life. It held water that quenched your thirst, juice that refreshed your morning, milk that nourished a child, or soda that brightened a gathering with friends. And then, once empty, its role seemed finished. But we know better. A bottle story doesn't have to end. It can begin again with a brush of paint. It becomes art. With a rope of jute, it becomes rustic charm. With a touch of fairy lights, it becomes a lantern glowing like fireflies in a jar. When we reuse bottles, we are not just saving objects, we are honoring memories. Each craft carries warmth, patience, and imaginations. Recrafting is not just about skill, it's about seeing differently. Hold a bottle in your hands, look at its curves, its transparency, its texture. Ask yourself, what could this be? It, it could be a flower vase bringing mature into your living room. It could be a candle holder glowing gently during a peaceful evening. It could be painted a pastel shades, lavender, teal, beige, and group into a check. Minimalist centerpiece. It could even be covered in pressed flowers and resin, capturing a little garden flower. Each recreation is a personal. Each piece reflects your mood, your touch, your vision, and that is the magic. Your craft cannot be copied, but it carries you inside it. Now let's dream bigger. Let's walk inside a tiny 3D house where bottles becomes building blocks of imagination. Picture the windows crafted from clear glass bottle pieces, glowing like stained glass with when sunlight passes through. Imagine the garden, lined with little glass bottles turned into planters, each holding a succulent or a spring of fresh mint. Inside the lamps are bottle lanterns painted gold and silver shining softly across the room. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more designs and more ideas like this, something related to craft and canvas like painting or recraft bottles, bags designs, related fashion, so join us on our channel. We will try to bring best videos for you, best designs for you from all over the world. So viewers, if you want to watch, please subscribe and go to the comment section, write your thinking about craft and detail about it. Don't forget to subscribe. We are trying to build for you best and best designs, very beautiful ideas of making and recycling things. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and beautiful day. कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर बताइएगा ज़रूर कि आप लोगों को ये आइडियाज़ एंड डिज़ाइंस कैसे लगे। हम चाहेंगे हमारे व्यूवर्स जहाँ भी हो देखते रहे अच्छे खूबसूरत डिज़ाइंस, खूबसूरत आइडियाज़। हम इनके लिए बेस्ट एंड बेस्ट डिज़ाइंस लेकर आते रहे। और भी अच्छे डिज़ाइंस बैग्स की वीडियोस देखने के लिए, रीक्राफ्ट मॉडल्स देखने के लिए, आने वाले फेस्टिवल की डेकोरेशंस देखने के लिए हमारे साथ रहिएगा और हमें ज्वाइन कीजिएगा। और हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम अच्छे अच्छे डिज़ाइंस आप लोगों के लिए लाते रहें। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। जो जहाँ है देख रहा है खुश रहें, आबाद रहें और खूबसूरत डिज़ाइंस एंड टिप्स के लिए हमें ज्वाइन कीजिए, हमारे साथ रहिएगा। हैव अ वेरी नाइस एंड ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी। स्टे ब्लेस। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। अल्लाह हाफिज़।